Pleased to address you this evening as we gather here for our 12th annual day celebration, exploring the fascinating and inspiring theme of Dashavataram, the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. It's my honor on behalf of Laksh International School to extend a warm welcome to our distinguished chief guests, esteemed dignitaries, invited guests, and valued parents. Your presence is greatly appreciated, demonstrating your commitment amidst your busy schedules. Your participation will undoubtedly serve as a source of inspiration and motivation for our young minds. As the principal of Laksh, I take pride in presenting the 12th annual report to you all. Well, before presenting the annual report, I would like to provide an overview of Laksh's remarkable history. The visionary founders of Laksh International School, late Shri Mukut Lal Sharma and late Shri Bharat Kumar Sharma, established this institution in year 2011 to foster educational excellence in Haldwani. Laksh is committed to its mission of Gyan Kaushal Vardhikyam, that is, to empowering students through progressive and multidimensional growth and development. Our esteemed director, Shri Mohit Sharma, has successfully driven Laksh to become Haldwani's top school through his hard work, persistence, meticulous planning and execution. By maintaining stringent standards in education and ethics, our team consistently achieves exceptional industry-leading results. And this achievement would not have been possible without the collective support of all of you. So, thank you, parents. Now, let's proceed with this year's annual report. Well, it is rightly said, education's purpose is to replace an empty mind with an open one. Laksh places academics at its core, striving for inclusive educational opportunities. We have taken and will continue to take all necessary steps to maintain academic excellence, valuing it as our institution's defining characteristic. Moving to the first point of the school curriculum, primary objective for the annual year 2024-2025 is to establish a comprehensive curriculum across the school, emphasizing theme-based instruction that prioritizes interpersonal, social, and creative skills development. Embracing activity-based learning, Laksh coordinates activities for students segmented by class or age demographics. Our learning experiences are enriched through innovative techniques, including projects, assignments, storytelling, expert interactions, and interactive games. Supplementary resources such as extra classes, test series, and online classes have been integrated into the curriculum to cater to the diverse needs of our students. In Laksh, we have the assessment system in alignment with the CBSE guidelines. Our students are continually evaluated through a uniform assessment system comprising class tests, oral assessments, periodic evaluations, and examinations. Our assessment schedule comprises PA1 and PA2 evaluations preceding the half-year exam in term 1 and PA3 and PA4 preceding the annual exams in term 2. The weighted distribution is 10% for periodic assessments and 80% for half-yearly and annual examinations. To maintain efficiency, regularity is must. Regularity is indeed the key to success because the person who believes in regular working will never fall behind as they evaluate. For the year 2023-24 academic year, student attendance averaged 94%. Parents, 94% with the support from all of you. So thank you. With a peak of 99%, recognizing the importance of regular attendance, we honor the student with the highest attendance rate, and we require your support to achieve the 100% attendance. Coming to the point of teaching quality and reliability, every effort has been undertaken to guarantee excellence in teaching by appointing highly qualified instructors who meet stringent qualification requirements. Our institution boasts a comprehensive teacher lesson observation system encompassing principal observations, group observations, and peer reviews. Laksh facilitates regular faculty development programs and seminars to continually refine and expand our educators' expertise. Well, moving on to the point of safety. The safety and well-being of our students is of paramount importance, and we employ every feasible measure to provide a secure, healthy, and nurturing environment. Through meticulous mentoring of each student personally and through digital surveillance, regular communication with parents, installation of necessary equipments for safety, and helping and kind staff, Laksh establishes itself as the safest place for the children. Self-defense. If you carry a self-defense weapon with you, you may never use it. But if there is one time you have to use it, you'll be happy you had it. In uncertain situations, caution is generally the wisest approach. Our institution prioritizes future readiness by incorporating karate and kickboxing training, equipping students to handle unforeseen circumstances. Expert martial arts instructor imparts valuable techniques, enhancing their confidence, physical strength, and mental fortitude. The very proud point of Olympiads. The key is not the will to win. Everyone has that. It's the will to prepare to win that is important. Laksh is dedicated to empowering its students to succeed in every challenge of life. Participating in Olympiads fosters healthy competition through reward-based assessment. Laksh organizes various Olympiads such as SOF, BYJU'S, and Humanity for our students. Like previous year, this year too, our students performed very well in the SOF Olympiads. As a principal of Laksh International School, I take pride in announcing the remarkable accomplishment of two of our students during the 2022-2023 academic year. Bhavesh Pandey of class 4 excelled in round 1 and qualified for round 2 in SOF Maths Olympiad, and there also he performed very well. So clap for Bhavesh Pandey. While a student of class 3, Hridyansh Sharma achieved an outstanding international rank 2 and got a silver medal for himself and for Laksh. Moving on, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Our educational framework integrates co-curricular activities such as drawing, art and craft, poem writing, skit, nukkad natak, storytelling, debate, elocution, abacus, and Vedic maths as essential components. Additionally, recognizing the importance of extracurricular activities for holistic development, we have incorporated music, dance, karate, and kickboxing into our timetable. It's always been our endeavor to provide a conducive and encouraging environment to our young minds. Students are mentored to participate in various intra and inter-school competitions. Our students this year have participated in various inter-school competitions like Patriotic Dance Competition organized by Amar Ujala, Bharat Ko Jano and Samoh Gaan competition by Bharat Vikas Parishad, inter-school poem recitation by Harpan Maula Sansthan, and many more. With great pleasure, would like to tell you that in inter-school drawing competition, Kanak Chauhan of class 7 has brought home the winning trophy. Once again, I feel proud to tell you the success story of 3 of our students, Nikita Joshi, Hridaya Sharma and Manas Kantpal, for securing bronze medals in different age groups in inter-school yoga competition. So again, a matter of pride for Laksh. Like previous year, this year too we organized summer camp for our school students. Variety of fun and learning activities had been incorporated in the camp to make it memorable experience for our kids. Laksh organizes picnic and educational trips for the students to foster the experiential learning and hence encouraging their observation skills. As the year draws to a close, Lakshites develop and showcase projects and models on various subjects, promoting wholehearted involvement from the entire student body. Moving on, celebration in schools. We at Laksh zealously celebrate all festivals and special days, acknowledging their significance in nurturing a culture of learning, growth and unity among our student community. Special assemblies are being organized on special days such as Teachers' Day, Children's Day, World Environment Day, Ram Navami, Munshi Premchand Divas, Mother's Day, Labour's Day, etc. to make students understand the importance of these days. To promote social harmony among children, Laksh family enthusiastically celebrates major festivals including Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Harela, Christmas, etc. while also observing national festivals such as Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti with utmost fervor. The next point is sports. Well, they say that fitness is not about being better than someone else. It's about being better than you used to be. Physical fitness holds a prominent position in our curriculum, incorporating various indoor and outdoor games and sports such as carom, chess, badminton and table tennis, led by qualified instructors. We observe National Sports Day and host an annual sports meet to foster sportsmanship among Lakshites. I am delighted to inform you that Manasvi Rawat and Bhumit Singh from our school have successfully qualified for the Mukhyamantri scholarship under the Udyaman Yojana. So again, it's a matter of pride for Laksh. As an integral member of the society, Laksh is deeply committed to contributing positively to the community. Mission Zero Plastic, tree plantation drives, donation to old age homes and orphanages, etc. are some of the small efforts we make it to give it back to the society. Today, supporting the local business and going vocal for local, we have come up with 2 small stalls. The Pride Salts and Flavors, which is a new start-up for Pisi Noon and some homemade masalas and chocolates. And the other one is the Joyful Shop, again a new startup of decor items, specifically Diwali decor today. So parents, please support this initiative of uplifting the local market. I would like to request you to visit these stalls once. The mega events of the Laksh, the Winter Carnival. Every year during winters, our students organizing a fete themselves, of course with a little help of teachers. They put up various stalls of games, foods, handcrafted items, etc. This helped them to understand the basic knowledge of trade. They learn to convince, bargain, sell and purchase. They learn profit and loss. And besides it, they enjoy this entire process thoroughly. The next mega event is of course today, the annual function. This is the biggest event and the happiest time for all of us. Since last 3 years, we are coming up with the themes which connect us with our origin, with our roots. This year, we have come up with the theme Dashavatara, the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. Since last 1 month, the entire team of Laksh is engrossed in planning and organizing this event. The execution was a bit difficult, but the expert team of choreographers and our dance teacher, our music sir, our karate sir, and all the teachers, the management, our helping staff, and of course, with a lot of hard work and persistence of our students, we have been able to bring the mesmerizing, electrifying, and inspiring performances for you all. I hope you all are enjoying this show and will continue to enjoy even more ahead. Well, with this, putting full stops to my words, I end this year's annual report with a beautiful quote. Growth is never by mere chance. It is the result of forces working together. Thank you all of you for listening me patiently. Thank you so much.